Welcome to City Grill. My name is Rob Vore. In this episode, I'm gonna do a quick and easy meal. I went out to the grocery store, found a flank steak, right? Flank steak already marinated and already, dry rubbed with fajita seasoning. So this is real simple, easy to do. Go out to your grocery store, find something that's already prepared. You don't have to worry about doing it yourself. It's done, it's ready to go. So I have the flank steak sitting out here. I'm getting ready to place it on the grill. I went ahead and cut up some onions and peppers, green peppers, and I think I might air fry them just to do something different as a side for this, to make these fajita wraps. And I also have some fresh cilantro that I picked up at the grocery store while I was there. I thought, wow, if I have a fajita, steak fajita, why not have some cilantro too? So I'll get ready to get this out on the grill. It's gonna be a quick and easy meal. All right, I'm out on the grill. My grill's about 375, almost 400 degrees, plenty hot, a high heat. And I'm just gonna take this flank steak and place it on those hot burners, just like that. I'm gonna cook that for 7 to 8 minutes, then I'm gonna flip it over. All right, I've cooked it 8 minutes, I flipped it, and I've cooked it another 8 minutes on about 400 degrees. I've turned off the oven, or turned off, sorry, not the oven, but turned off the grill now. You know, I've had a drink or two. So let's take a look. This looks very good. When I see little juices coming up, I know that's a nice medium rare. Look at that. That is gonna taste delicious. So I'll go ahead and put it on my cutting board here, take it inside, get ready to cut this up to make some fajitas. All right, I brought the flank steak inside. I'm ready to cut this thing. Actually, I let it rest a little bit for the juices to kind of come back into it. I know it's gonna be a nice medium rare here in the middle. The end's not so bad. I'm gonna cut it against the grain. I don't know if you can tell, but the grain is going this way right now with the meat, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead in a little bit of an angle and just cut just like so, right? And I'm just gonna cut it fairly thin, maybe a little bit thicker than that, but thin nonetheless. And this knife isn't the sharpest one in the world that I have, but I'll start cutting this up just like so. And what I'll do is go ahead and make myself, I don't know whether I want to call it a fajita, or I have some rice, some vegetables to go with this, cilantro, and some refried beans. So I'm just gonna make it up with a whole bunch of goodies. Boy, doesn't that look beautiful? That's exactly what I'm looking for. So from like a grocery store, and actually this was at a discount price too. They were trying to get rid of it. This is excellent. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrilling.com.